Namhlanje ekuseni amaphoyisa abophe abantu abangaphezulu kwama-50 abahlulekile ukuveza amaphepha akhombisa ukuthi bakuleli ngokusemthethweni. Ngemva komhlangano obusesithe nezakhamuzi, uCele uthi akaboshwa umuntu emacaleni okubulawa kwabantu eDiepsloot nokubalwa kuwe lokubulawa komlisa odabuka eZimbabwe uElvis Nyathi ngoLwesithathu ebusuku, kepha sekujutshwa abaseshi abaphezulu abali-12 kule ndawo ukuze baphenye le igameko.
The last quarter of last year, which is October, November, December, 11 people were killed here. Only 3 people have been picked up and arrested. We are simply saying to the police that is unacceptable. Hence, we are putting top group of detectives. And please, when you ask us next time, ask about the matter. So I appreciate that your emphasis there. But as the police, we are dealing with all the matters and the cases that are there, including the mob, the mob killing, the vigilantism, and those that were killed before that we haven't found.
Aaron Motsoaledi uthe ukuphume emhlanganweni ukuthi izakhamuzi zaseDiepsloot zithukuthele kakhulu ngezinga lobugebengu eliphezulu kunodaba lwabantu bokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
I repeat the question because I asked them, if everybody here is documented, will you be happy? They said no. The situation goes beyond that. It's an issue, it's not an issue of documentation, it's criminality. And they stood one by one to tell us what they were told in their houses when these crimes were taking place. It's not easy for any woman to be raped in front of their own husband with a gun on and children. But these are the stories they told us. And they said they believe, they know that is Zimbabwean nationals who were doing that. So these are the issues we must face head on.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uDavid Makhura uthi uhulumeni waseningizimu Afrika angeke weseke izakhamuzi zakuleli ezibambela umthetho.
We can't support any South African who take the law into their own hands. You can't have people who are moving door to door saying they're identifying the illegal foreign nationals. It's not the job of anybody to do that except law enforcement agencies.
Izakhamuzi nazo ziphawulile ngeinyathelo ezithathwe uhulumeni.
Maybe we need it to be a permanent solution. They can't just come for 3 months and go. They must stay here.
The police, they need our support as the community. Working with the community structures, CPF and other structures, we are very much confident that what the minister has done, together with the Minister of Home Affairs, is going to yield positive results in our communities.
Kusenjalo amalungu e-EFF avakashele umuzi womlisa owabulawa ngoLwesithathu ebusuku.
We are not saying the people of Diepsloot are illegitimate for saying there's a problem of crime in Diepsloot. We can agree with them. There's a problem of crime all over South Africa, in each and every township. There's murder every single day. And it must come to an end. But that crime cannot be attributed to foreign nationals primarily as the primary enemy of our people.
Amaphoyisa asiqaphe ngelokhozi isimo kule ndawo.